So today we're going to be replacing the handlebar assembly of an Apollo City. This is the same procedure for the Apollo City 22 or 23, both the regular and Pro variants. So the first thing we're going to do is free the brake lines from the brake levers. We're going to do this by rotating this piece here so there's a clear channel, and then just pulling the brake line, getting it out, and removing it. I'm going to let this hang freely. So the other side. If you are finding that no matter how hard you pull the little brake line, you can't get enough clearance, what you'll need to do is loosen the drum brakes at the wheels. So now that the brake lines are free, I'm just going to take my 4mm Allen key and uninstall these two screws. On the 2023 version, there are 4 screws. There's 2 here and 2 on the opposite side, but the process is the same except for the number and where the screws are placed. Now I should just be able to lift this up. I can find where the connection happens and just separate it. Then you're going to take your new handlebar assembly. I don't have a new handlebar assembly for this video, so I'm just going to put this one back. And you're just going to follow the opposite steps. So you're going to line up the plug. There is an arrow written on it to show you where to plug it in, although it's designed in such a way that you can't plug it in wrong. It is impossible. So we're going to hide the excess wire down the stem. And fit it on there. Reinstall our screws. So make sure they're tight, nice and secure. Again, if you have a 2023 model, you'll have 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on the opposite side, and no screws in the front. And then we just need to reinstall the brake lines. So you should have the channel, well, you have a new handlebar assembly. So you just need to make sure the channels are aligned so you can get through it. Open it up, pull the tab out from the bottom, bring this in, and then pull on the brake line. I like to pull, it'll have a natural curve, so just pull around that. And get it in. If it's incorrectly, it should snap back to its home position very easily. Once it's in, just twist on this piece to make sure there's not clearance for the brake line to fall apart. Same thing on the other side. So it's in, it's snapping back well. And the scooter turns on just fine. And that's how you would replace the handlebar assembly on an Apollo City.